Today we discuss about chemical properties of metals and nonmetals. On page 59 and 60, the first chemical properties of metal is reaction of metal with oxygen. Metals react with oxygen and form metal oxide. For example, metal magnesium react with oxygen, you will get metal oxide, that is magnesium oxide. Here magnesium is a metal. Next equation is copper metal. Copper react with oxygen. You will get copper oxide CuO. It is a black colored compound. The third equation is iron react with oxygen. You will get iron oxide or ferric oxide. In the same manner, metal sodium Na react with oxygen O2 to form metal oxide, that is sodium oxide. Here sodium is a metal. The other equation is zinc metal react with oxygen, you will get zinc oxide. Zinc is a metal. So what is the general formula of this equation? Metals plus oxygen gives metal oxide. The next chemical property is reaction of metal with water. Most of the metals react with the water to form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Lithium metal Li react with the water H2O to form lithium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas formula is H2. In the same manner, metal sodium Na react with the water to form sodium hydroxide NaOH and hydrogen gas H2. The third equation, potassium metal K react with the water, you get potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Now let us discuss the effect of flame on magnesium. This activity 6 cases show the effect of flame on magnesium. Materials required for this activity are magnesium ribbon, burner, a pair of tongs. Now what you are going to do is hold this magnesium ribbon with a pair of tongs and show it over the flame of the burner. What do you observe? We can see that magnesium burn in air by giving this white color dazzling light flame, and also produce ash, which is solid magnesium oxide, white color compound. So after burning, magnesium gives white colored compound magnesium oxide. This is a compound magnesium oxide which is formed after burning magnesium metal. When you put sodium metal or potassium metal in water, they burn. Their reaction is very vigorous. They give flame with vigorous noise. Look at this color of the flame because these metals are having own specific color. Students, this reactivity series of metal is more important because this you will study up to 10th standard. The same metal order you will learn. Now I will tell you one shortcut to learn this metal order. Here the most reactive metal is potassium and the least reactive metal is gold, then platinum. We are going to learn the shortcut. Popular potassium, scientists sodium, can calcium, make magnesium, aluminum, zoo zinc, in iron, low lead, humid hydrogen, country copper, more mercury, satisfactory silver. Then comes gold and platinum. Gold AU, platinum PT. Gold and platinum are least reactive element. They never react with any of the substances. That is what they always shine. Now you are going to learn the shortcut. Popular scientists can make a zoo in low humid country more satisfactory. Here, top in the series, metals like sodium and potassium are more reactive than lower the series of the metals. For example, calcium is more reactive than magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, etc. Aluminum is more reactive than zinc, iron, lead, etc. We have been learning reactivity of metal with water. We have studied metal with water gives metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. But Metals from potassium to magnesium in this reactivity series only react with water to form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Below magnesium, that is aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, these all react with water to form metal oxide and hydrogen. Magnesium with steam also produce magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. Below hydrogen elements do not react with water at all. Look at this series. Which other metals are less reactive than hydrogen? Copper, mercury, silver, and gold. They don't react with water at all. So, what do you understand? Above hydrogen, all these metals in this activity series react with water, but the metals below hydrogen they don't react with water at all because of their least reactivity nature. The next chemical property is the reaction of metal with acid. Metals react with acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. First, you should know what are acid. Acid should have hydrogen ion. For example, HCl, hydrogen is present. H2SO4, hydrogen is present. HNO3. So these all are acid. They should have hydrogen in the beginning or at the end. When Na metal react with the hydrochloric acid HCl to form salt. How do you get salt? Hydrogen of the acid. You have to remove the hydrogen and write the sodium metal in the place of hydrogen. So you will get NaCl plus hydrogen gas. You know hydrogen is a gas, so you have to write 2 at the base, H2. In the same manner, Mg magnesium react with the sulfuric acid H2SO4. You will get salt MgSO4 salt. How do you get MgSO4? Hydrogen you remove from the acid and hydrogen place you write the metal magnesium. So you will get magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Likewise, all these metals from potassium to lead above hydrogen, these all metals react with acid to form salt and hydrogen. But metals below hydrogen in this series do not react with acid or water at all. Hydrogen is the only non-metal in this activity series because sometimes hydrogen behaves like a metal